Morning, everybody. What up, y'all? Today is Saturday, March 4th. It is the 1 week mile marker or anniversary, I don't know what to call it, of my first session, basically. So I've got nothing coming up this week. Next Friday, I go in for my second infusion of a total of 5. So I'm slowly making my way up the hill. I'm getting to the top of the mountain. Curious to see how that affects my side effects, which means this week I had gone out to look at a pool. I bought some waterproof gloves that were really thick, waterproof, just because I was curious on doing my job with my hands and a pool. So I was taking pictures, underwater pictures, and I got my hand in too deep, water got in behind it, like damn, just forced to have it. So I thought, okay, it's gonna take my glove off, see if I can stick my hand in, just take my pictures and move on and do what I got to do. And nothing. I was able to get in there, dig out a couple little pieces of rock that I was trying to get out of the finish. Nothing. I mean, my hands were cool. It was no problem. So I'm thinking that has something to do with the infusion part of it myself, the oxaliplatin. The other thing is the first bite syndrome that I've been dealing with. That is waning as well. It's a lot less than it was in the very beginning. I don't know if it's because I figured out that if I just slowly take that first bite, slowly take the second one and ease into a meal, as opposed to just going for it like I normally would, it's not as intense as it was in the beginning. So I'm curious to see how those two things happen. I'm also curious to talk to the doctor about whether or not different side effects kick in as I go along. So will these be the side effects I deal with everything all the way through? Or will I get new side effects? Or will these side effects get more intense? No clue. No clue. Mr. Google and YouTube, I've been all over looking and trying to figure that out, but there's no real answer. The one consistent answer I get is everybody's different. Everybody has different side effects. Like, so, figure I'll make a video around then. Figuring about once a week is okay for now. What I will do then, because I'm curious to see how that second round of infusion goes, so most likely make one on Saturday, probably make one on Sunday, depending on how I'm feeling. Monday probably because those are the first few days after the infusion that are usually, from what I understand, the most intense. So I'll make a few at that point again, and then I'll probably go back to making one a week. I don't know, figure it out. It's just I feel bad because there's nothing really happening. So I get it. You guys want to know and curious to see how I'm doing. And it's easier for me to send out a video than to make 30 phone calls. So I understand. Totally get it. Like I said, laundry day, breakfast. Here we go, Steelers, bagel. It's kind of cruising along. It's going to be a beautiful day, I think. We'd had a ton of weather last week. Lots of rain, lots of wind. It's been really cold. So, hoping to get out in the sun today, hoping to walk down to grab a burger and a beer. It's been a while since I've had anything really cold, so I'm really thirsty for a nice cold Hams or a PBR or something and a burger just to hang out for a little bit and kind of do my normal thing. Anyway, see how that goes. Other than that, I'm going to finish the laundry and get on with it. Onward, guys. Thank you so much for all the support, the prayers, and the vibes, and all that awesome stuff you guys are doing for me. You don't realize it, but all that stuff is really helping. So thank you so much. Have a good weekend. Talk to you soon.